Hey everybody, it is the final day of our PSA project, final day of Wellness 1. You complete this lesson and you are donezo, okay? So you did it, now it's time to watch and learn, okay? So you're not turning anything on the assignment tab today, you're just responding in the discussion page where you guys put your videos as well. So make sure, if you shared your link from Google Drive, follow the 2 steps right away so other people can view your video. Okay, test 3 and 4 aren't due until 11:59, but make sure you guys do these things. All right, make sure that the link sharing is on. Your groups will be right here. Sorry, I don't have them yet. Doing this a little early. Task 3, watch each of the PSA videos of each person in your group. While doing this, keep in mind the items you need to respond with. Okay, you can certainly watch other people's videos, but you only have to post a reply on the people in your group up here. When you respond to your group mates, you must include the 3 items below. At least one compliment of the construction, so the video, the audio, the effects, the information, the graphics. One thing you learned from watching the video, and then one thing you're curious about regarding their topic now that you've seen their public service announcement. Okay, so one compliment, one thing you learned, and one thing you're curious about for each of the people's videos that you are watching. All right, once you guys do that for each of your group members, you guys are done. Please double check your grade book, make sure everything is good to go. Reach out as always if you have questions. Otherwise, thank you all. Let me know if you guys need anything.